Welcome to the Ontario Brain Institute's Neuroscience Asset Map tutorial. This map was created in order for users ranging from patients, researchers, companies, and not-for-profits to discover and connect with neuroscience resources and talent across Ontario. By doing this, the OBI hopes to facilitate collaboration opportunities, innovative services, and products for brain-related healthcare. We are continually updating and expanding this resource and hope you will take part in this exciting initiative to help mobilize Ontario as a world leader in brain discovery, commercialization, and care. There are three ways of viewing the asset map: the circular map, the square map, and the cluster map. All of these maps draw their information from the same dataset. The only difference between them is the way in which they are presented. We will begin with the circular map. On the circular map, you will see that the initial breakdown consists of researchers, institutions, companies, and location. Each of these categories are further broken down, ultimately leading to a page profiling a particular entry you are searching for. Let's try doing a search for Donald Stuss, President and Scientific Director at the Ontario Brain Institute. We'll start by clicking on Researchers, then Affiliation. An A through Z list of researchers with all affiliations is listed here. Click on the Ontario Brain Institute to see the list of active academic researchers at this institution. Clicking on Donald Stuss will lead you to his profile page, which details general information such as contact information, PubMed URL, affiliations, and conditions and functions of the brain that this researcher focuses on, among many others. Let's try out the square map, except this time search for an institution. Let's use the Ontario Brain Institute as an example. We'll start by clicking on Square Map, followed by Institutions. Because the Ontario Brain Institute is a not-for-profit organization, click on the square that says A through Z under Not-for-Profits. Clicking Ontario Brain Institute will bring you to a profile page which lists general information such as contact details and website address. Finally, we'll have a look at the cluster map, which provides information from a geographical perspective. The tabs up at the top allow you to choose between companies, institutions, and researchers. Clicking on any of the flags will bring up a pop-up by which you can view a particular profile. Another function that exists is the advanced search. By clicking on the search tab at the top right of the page, you can search by name or by advanced search. By holding down the Control key, you can select multiple options to narrow down your selection. If you cannot find yourself or your organization on the Neuroscience Asset Map, there is a tab labeled Add Researcher Organization. For example, if you wanted to add a researcher, input a name and then choose Researcher. Clicking Continue will bring you to a page with various details by which you can characterize your profile. Once you are finished, scroll to the bottom and click Submit. This concludes the OBI Neuroscience Asset Map tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to learn and to use this tool. We hope to continue expanding this database and improving its functionality. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please send an email to assetmap@braininstitute.ca. Thank you.